हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि तितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 डेली यूज इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first word, knowledge. It means ज्ञान. The second word is maximum. It means adhiktam. The third word is minority. It means alphasankyak. The fourth word is natural. It means prakratik. The fifth word is outside. It means bahar. The sixth word is spendthrift. It means fizul kharch karna. The seventh word is transparent. It means pardarshi. The eighth word is ancestor. It means purvaj. The ninth word is bitter. It means kadwa. The 10th word is respect. It means adar. The 11th word is falsehood. It means zoot. The 12th word is dishonest. It means beiman. The 13th word is possibility. It means sambhavna. The 14th word is impurity. It means apavitrata. The 15th word is uncomfortable. It means asuvidhajanak. The 16th word is bearable. It means sahane yogya. The 17th word is ashamed. It means sharminda. The 18th word is expected. It means apekshit. The 19th word is necessary. It means jaruri. The 20th word is warrior. It means yodha. The 21st word is coward. It means kayar. The 22nd word is foolish. It means murkh. The 23rd word is energetic. It means utsahi. The 24th word is awkward. It means atpata. The 25th and last word is dangerous. It means khatarnak. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.